That breaking news, a judge is allowing two of the issues in a lawsuit looking to throw medical marijuana off the Nebraska ballot to move forward. The plaintiffs claim the petition sponsors did not gather enough signatures and that Nebraska's Secretary of State failed to strike repeat signatures from the drive. The lawsuit comes as a Grand Island man faces charges for allegedly making fake signatures for the drive. Now, the leader of Nebraskans for Medical Marijuana, Krista Eggers, issued a statement saying, quote, "We have complete confidence that our local election officials correctly and accurately validated the petition signatures and that our campaign met all legal requirements to appear on the ballot. We remain focused on making sure all Nebraskans have their voice heard on this issue."